Welcome to FM Tuition Academy. Okay, so we're continuing on sets, paper 2 type. Okay, paper 2 type of questions. So these usually come in paper 2. So I'm teaching you a continuation from what we did on sets. For example, if this is the Venn diagram. Okay, so the Venn diagram goes like that. Okay, and then I want you to fully understand so that you get the point. They'll give you a paragraph. So when you summarize that paragraph, for example, I've drawn for you that Venn diagram. So when you summarize a paragraph, you find maybe they can say three people. They can say three people take three. They can say three people. Okay, let me use 5 for his understanding. They can say, okay, let's say 6. 6 people take all the 3 subjects. Okay, those are the points that we have. 6 people take all the 3 subjects. 5 people take mathematics and science only. Okay. 7 take. Okay, so I'll put this. We'll say this is mathematics. Use the other color. So this is mathematics, this is science, and this is biology. Okay, that's mathematics, science, and biology. So I'm writing first the information. So 6 people take all the 3. 5 people take mathematics and science, and then 7 people take science and biology. 7 people take science and biology only. Okay, take science and biology only. And then 8 people take biology and maths only. 8 people take biology and maths only. Okay, and then 11 people take maths only. Okay, 12 take science only. 13 take biology only. Okay, so now we have to put this information on this Venn diagram. How do you do it? The first thing you do, you always pick the intersection set. Okay, that's the first part that you start with. This one that's on the middle, this one, the intersection set. So you find the ones that took all the 3 subjects. So you come to your information. After you have summarized your information, check the part that says the 6 people took all the 3 subjects. So you first put the intersection set. That's the one that you start with. Okay, you start with first the intersection set, guys, which is 6. 6 people took all the 3 subjects. That's the one you pick. It doesn't matter even if this one is the last sentence. You pick first the one that shows you all the people who participated. Okay, in all the 3 subjects. So you put 6. So here it is actually 6 people. 6 people. Okay, and then we have to find the ones that are coming here. Okay, these ones took mathematics and they took science. So we have to find the ones that took mathematics and they took science. Then the number that it is, the number that they are, you put the number here. Okay, first you put the ones that took all the three, which was 6. So we look for mathematics and science only. Mathematics here and science. Okay, we look for mathematics and for science. So the number will come here on the middle. Okay, so who took mathematics and science only? So come to your information. So mathematics and science was 5. Let me use a higher number. Let me not use 5. Let's use a larger number. Not 5. I used 5, but I'm changing. Let's say we use 9. For ease understanding, I'll use 9. So 9 took mathematics and science only. They took mathematics and science. 9. So when I come to the Venn diagram, okay, I'm not going to put 9 here. Okay, I'm repeating, I don't put 9. What I do is, I always subtract from 6, because there's already an existing 6 on the middle there. So the numbers that you put here, here, and here, those numbers should be subtracted from this 6. I repeat, the numbers, if it's 9 here, don't put 9. If it is 8 here, don't put 8. If it is 7 here, don't put 7. You always subtract from 6. So it means to get that number, since the number that I'm supposed to put here is 9, I'll say 9 minus the existing 6 here. So it is 3. That's the number that I'll put here. I'll put 3. I've repeated again. The number that you put in these ones where I've put yellow, once a number you know it, you subtract from 8. Okay? So the next number I'm looking for is those ones who took science and biology only, meaning they should come here. Okay, they took science and biology only. So they took science and biology, meaning they're between science and biology. So it means science and biology. So look, where is science and biology? They took science and biology. Where are the science and biology people? Science and biology. 7 people took science. 7 people took science and biology only. 7. Okay, so these ones took science and biology only. So I come there. Science and biology is between science and biology. So science is here, biology is here. So there are 7. So I don't put 7 here. I repeat, you say 7, then you subtract the middle number 6, which will give you what? It will give you 1. So that's the one that you put here. You don't put 7. You put the answer you get after subtracting, which is 1. Okay? Same thing applies here. Those ones that took mathematics, they took what? Mathematics and biology. This side. They took mathematics and what? They took mathematics and, so they took mathematics and they took biology. The one that you get here, the answer you get here, subtract from that. So the ones that took mathematics and biology, where are they? So I come again, mathematics and biology. So mathematics and biology, who are these guys? Mathematics and biology, and the ones that took mathematics, biology and mathematics, it's 8. They are 8. So I go there, I put 8. I mean, I go there, I don't put 8, I subtract from 6. So here, I don't put 8. What do? I say what? 8 minus 6, which will give me 2. Okay? That's the one that I'll put here, which will give me 2. So it means, what am I going to do? I'll put what? I'll put 2. Okay? Since there's no space this side, so that's why I've put the calculation inside. You don't need to put it inside here. There's no space this side. So I'll put it inside here. So it means the answer I'll put here, it's 2. I don't put 8. I subtract from 8, and then the answer I got 2. It's okay? So I'll remove this calculation. Okay? Because it's not supposed to be there. I was just making you understand. Okay. Okay. Now, what is the next thing what's the next thing that you deal with? Now we have to find the numbers that were coming here, 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 okay, which have nothing to do with these circles here. So these ones, the ones that took mathematics only. If they said mathematics only, it means, if they said mathematics only, it means the number comes here. If they said mathematics only, if they said science only, the number comes here. If they say biology only, the number comes here. Okay? So it means these ones are separate. Okay? So you come to your thing here, your data. They said 11 took maths only. They took maths only. So 11. So you go where maths is. They said maths. They didn't say maths. They said maths only. So if they said maths only, you put here. It's 11 that took maths only. 11 took maths only. They didn't say the ones who took mathematics. They said mathematics, they took maths only, rather. Oh, this is for science, sorry. So I'll rub here. They said 11 took maths only, so it means 11 comes here. Okay? So 11 took maths only. Okay? 11 took maths only. But if they said how many took mathematics, it's the whole circle. If they said how many took mathematics, it means the whole of this circle. All these ones took mathematics. All these. So it is 11 plus these 3 here plus 6 plus 2. If they said how many took mathematics. But if they said mathematics only, you do not pick 3, 6, and 2. You only pick 11, this one. Okay? Okay? So only, you only pick the one that is not in the circle. The one that is separate from this one circles here. So 11 took mathematics. How many took 12? 12 took science only. So you go on the circle for science. Where's the circle for science? Science, it's 12. Okay? You put 12 there. So it means those ones who took science are just, the ones who took science only, I repeat, only, it means 12. But if they said science, meaning all these, if they didn't put only, that means they're meaning this. Meaning 3, 6, 1, and 12. But they said science only. That's why the 12 is here. Okay? Okay? So, those ones that took biology only, it's 13. Biology only is 13. So, you go biology only, it is 13. So, biology only, meaning 13 is going to be in here. That's how you do it, guys. Have you understood what I said? Okay. That's how you draw it. Okay. Now, let me bring for you an exercise. Okay. So, this is a Venn diagram. Okay. I want to see if you have understood what I'm explaining. And then this Venn diagram is like this. Okay. So, we have got mathematics, science, and biology. So, I'll write the details, meaning I'm supposed to fill those details. So, 3 took, we're supposed to fill those details. 3 took all the, okay, let me not use 3, let me use 4. 4 took all the 3 subjects. Okay? 4 took all the 3 subjects. 4 took all the 3 subjects. Okay? Okay? And then 9, let me use 8. 8 took maths and science only. Okay? 9 took we said 8 took 8 took maths and science, and then 9 took science and biology only. 9 took science and biology. So 9 took science and biology. Okay. 10 took biology and maths. 10 took biology. 10 took biology and 10 took biology and maths only. 10 took biology and maths only. Okay. So 10 took biology and maths only. And then 3 took maths only. 3 took maths only. 4 took science only. 5 took we said 3 took maths only, 4 took science only, 5 took biology only. So 5 took biology only. Okay. So you are supposed to put these details in that Venn diagram. After I've put the details in the Venn diagram, answer these questions. When those details are there, then you answer these questions. Then you answer. These questions are for that diagram. Once you put those numbers in the diagram, then you answer these questions. These are the questions that you're supposed to answer. Question 1. Actually, let me not. Just that is already the answer. So just do that. That's already an exercise. You fill in the diagram there. Let me see if you're about filling in. If you fill it in. So this is the end. Just fill in those numbers in that Venn diagram. That's the question.